Let's work on exercise 6.1b. Let's complete this code. First one, let's check the structure of this program. As we know, each Java program, we need a main function to let the Java virtual machine to know where we're supposed to start the program running. Let's check this program. Once we run this program, the Java virtual machine will automatically to check where's the main function. Then to implement the code inside the main function line by line. So check here, which means initially I'm gonna call get a random function and assign the return value to variable num. The next one, we pass the num as a parameter of function getSum and save the return value to variable sum. At the end, we print out, we call the print info function by passing two parameters, sum and num. Okay, let's check how do we complete the functions we need. The first one, we know we need to complete the get random function. I give you guys the comments here. You can see this function do not take any parameters, which means we just leave the parentheses to be empty. And then this function is supposed to return a value between 1 and 10. Next function is getSum function. GetSum function will get one parameter called num, then return the summation from 1 to num. Okay, let's work on this program. Let's open our IDE, create a folder. Let's get into the folder. Go to File, create the Java. Let's get all the code here. Let me save this function. Put that here. Okay, which means let's focus on the first one. We would like to get random number. Okay, so which means I'm gonna create a integer number. Suppose n will be the mass. We know we can use the random function to generate a number from 0 to 1. 1 is excluded, so we just go ahead times 10. So which means if we get the random number times by 10, we're gonna get a number from 0 to 9.9999. That's possible. So then we plus 1. And we return the n. Okay. Check here. This one will return a double value, right? And plus 1 is also a double value. Once we save this double value to an integer variable, the fractional part will automatically to be removed. We only keep the integer part. The next part is we would like to calculate the summation from 1 to num. Let's define a summation here and give an initial value 0. Let's write sum. That's it for this function. Then I already gave you guys the function of print infer. Okay, this print infer will take two parameters. One is the sum, one is the n. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, something wrong. Let's fix that. Check here. This is the first time we run. And then run. Let's run this program one more time. Okay, that's exercise 6.1b. This code is super easy. I'm trying to use this code to give you guys an idea how we can organize the code and how we can work on the code by functions. So look at here. I defined a couple of the functions. One is get random, one is get sum, and the last one is the print info. And in the main function, I don't write the detailed functions. I don't write the detailed statements. I just go ahead call the functions to implement something more complicated. Look at here. I just go ahead call functions instead of put many small statements line by line. That's the idea. So that's basically in the main function, we would like you guys write the code like this style instead of writing in some very detailed statements. So the flow chart of this program is like this one. I showed you guys in this function, in this diagram. You can see, once I run the main function, okay, I will call get random. Once we call this get random function, we're gonna jump to get random function and then run whatever statements defined inside the get random. Then we return from get random and save the value to variable none. Then we move on to the next line inside the main function. Say we call get sum function by passing num as a parameter. Then we jump to get sum function to run whatever statements defined inside the get sum function. Once we finish all the code inside the get sum function, we return to the main function and assign the return value to variable sum. Then we run the next line of code of the main function. Say we pass the two parameters, num and sum. And then we call get infer and go back. Okay, that's for the exercise 6.1b. Okay, next one is your turn. Please don't look at the code of 6.1b. Write this program from scratch. Good luck. Thank you.